Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to move all Google Photos to an external hard drive with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. There are two ways to transfer your images. The first one is actually quite simple. All you need to do is select the image you want to transfer by clicking this icon at the top left corner. You can also select entire groups by clicking above them. Select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, then click download. If you have a lot of images, there's an easier way to do this. Open a new tab, then search for Google Takeout. Hit enter. Open this up. Click deselect all. On your keyboard, press Ctrl F, then type in Google Photos. This takes us here. Ensure that Google Photos is selected. Then scroll down all the way to the end. Click this button to continue. Under this section, ensure that Send Download Link via email is selected. Leave everything else as default. Then click this button to continue. Depending on the number of images you have, it may take a few hours or a few days to complete. Once the process is complete, open up your Gmail inbox and you'll see a message here. Click it and you can download your images by clicking this link. You'll need to sign in to confirm it's you. Then the download will start. Go to the folder with your downloaded files. Here we see a zip file. Right-click the file and select Extract All. Click Extract. Once the extraction is complete, open up this folder. Open up this folder. Then this folder. Open this up. Here we see our image. Go back to the Google Photos folder. Select Ctrl C. Go to your external hard drive. Then paste it here by pressing Ctrl V. And that's it. You've successfully copied your photos to an external hard drive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.